Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome in. If you're a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, hey. Today is going to be a little something different for my channel. I'm doing a half up, half down on my grandbaby for her graduation. Yes, I am a grandmother. Now, this particular style is not something that I would have chosen for her to do as for her age, but it's not my decision. This is what she wanted. This is what her mom told me she wanted. So we're just doing it. So we're doing a half up, half down, quick weave. The style that she initially picked was really long and like very adult looking, even though it was kind of on the child. But I'm like, it's kind of look a little for a child. But I was able to make it age appropriate for her. We got some shorter hair and just watch the process. So right now I'm just sewing down her cap. I don't generally like to use like the Morning Glory to protect the stuff because I've had a few clients that had some serious reactions to it. So I honestly just prefer not to use it. So if you've been a long time subscriber, y'all know that I do my paper and my stocking cap. Now, this is not a style that you can come in the salon and ask for because the answer will be no. I do not do this kind of styles anymore at all. But I'm just going around and sewing her cap down to make sure it's nice and secure because y'all know kids, honey. They will wake up and then the whole hair be gone.
Me twice.
The hair that she using, she got it from the local beauty supply store, and it's a 10, 12, and 14. I started with the 12 for the back, and we're just kind of doing it in sort of like a horseshoe shape. And the closer I get to the top, we're going to curve it up more so that the tracks doesn't show when we do the ponytail and everything. And then once I got to the top, then we proceeded with the 14-inch so that it could go over the 12 and, kind of be the same length. So now I'm just taking her edges and pressing them out with a real pressing comb. This is a stove. This ain't no plug-in. It's the real deal. And then just kind of brushing out some little hairs for her little baby hair situation. Shout out to the person that said to put the hand in the middle so that the ponytail can be like in the middle. That was like a gem. And also to leave the cap on and flip it back so that the hair is not in the way while you're doing the ponytail, girl. Like y'all did that, okay? Because I ain't gonna lie, I had to go back and get a little refresher course via YouTube University, honey, because I ain't been doing this kind of stuff. So anything for my grandbaby. Now, I'm not a got to be type of girl, and I never really was when I was doing hair. We use beeswax, and that's what I'm using on her. But her hair is so soft, I kind of wish I did have some got to be just to kind of make it a little stiff, because the aloe Fantasia spray didn't get it like stiff like I would have liked it to be. But she don't keep no hairdo long anyway, so by the time y'all get this video, she probably done took this out anyway, knowing her.
Team DMS.
So I did go in and like take the rubber band off and just re-ponytailed it to make sure that it is nice and neat, and the ponytail doesn't have any lumps or humps or bumps. And now I'm just gonna curling her outside to do like her baby hair. But let me tell y'all, sis took her baby hairs. When I saw her the next day, her baby hairs was totally different. She combed out more hair. She told me that she liked her baby hair a certain way, and I ain't give her enough. So listen, we ain't used to do all that without edges. So I'm used to doing what I'm used to doing, but it's all good.
Team DMS.
So we are almost to the end of the ponytail. Now I'm just kind of wrapping it around and gluing it as I wrap. And yeah, that's about it. I thought it came out cute. We're just cutting out the cap. So that little gem with leaving the cap on while you doing the hair was like a total gem. Like, if I ever do this style again, I'm definitely gonna do it that way because that just made so much sense. Like, I love black people. We just be doing it. But Joyco sent me this curl foam, and I'm finally get to use it. I probably had it like a year or something. But again, I don't really do weave, so I had no need to do it. But I was finally able to have a reason to just put it on her hair and just kind of define those curls a little bit. And this is it, y'all. Like, after I did that, sis was it. You can see her face. She looking like, I don't like these baby hairs. But she's kind of has like a resting B face anyway, so that's kind of how she be looking anyway.
Team DMS.
So I was finally able to get some kind of smile out of her at the end. But you guys let me know what you think, and subscribe and follow for more.